Hello everyone, I will guide you on how to use the Fatafat Merchant application. Firstly, install the application from the Play Store. Once the app is installed, click on the open icon. It will redirect you to the login page. To log in, you have to use your email ID and the password which has been already sent to you via registered email ID. To do this, you have to first of all reset the password. A separate video for the same is already shared. After the successful login, you will find there are 3 tabs on the screen. First one is the Home tab, another one is the Orders tab, and third one is the Profile tab. Now I'll take you to the Home tab first. Under the Home tab, you will find the summary of the sales and the orders. In the sales summary, you can find the sales for the day, that is you can see 550 rupees for the day, and the total sales, that is 5375 till date. Also you can find the summary of the orders, like you have 7 cancelled orders till date. Now we'll move on to the next tab, that is the Orders tab. Under the Orders tab, there are 4 different tabs. First is the Pending, second is Dispatched, third is Completed, and fourth one is Cancelled. In case you have any pending orders, you will find the same under the Pending tab. In case your orders are in transit, you can check those under the Dispatched tab. For all the completed orders till date, you can check the tab of the completed orders. Also, you can check the orders which have been completed for some particular date after scrolling the tab. Now, in case you want to find the summary of the items, you can check it under the Completed tab. There are 3 subcategories out here. One is the item, another one is the summary, and third one is the history. Under the Item tab, you can check what all items were delivered in this particular order. In the Summary tab, you can check the customer name, your store name, the time of the order, and the total amount. It includes the delivery charges as well as the packaging charges. Now we will move on to the history part. Under the history, you can check the details of the particular order, the time from which the order is placed, and the time till which it was completed. Now I will take you to the Cancel tab. Similarly, in the Cancel tab, you can check all the orders which have been cancelled till date by scrolling down. Also, you can check the item details, the summary, and the history as we have done in the Completed tab. Now we'll move further to Profiles tab. Under the Profiles tab, you have 5 other categories. First one is your profile, second is your catalog, third one is the chat with admin, then we have my configuration, and then analytics. Under the profile, now in case you want to edit your profile picture or your name, your email ID, your contact number, or your address, you can do all the changes out here, and then you have to click on the update button. Once you have clicked the update button, the changes will get restored here. Now the next option, and the very important option, is the catalog option. Now, in the catalog option, you can add any category of your own choice. Like we have oil, personal care, pulses, atta. Now, in case you have to add, like I am adding grocery out here. So, you can add the description of your own choice, and you can always add an image to the particular category in case it is required. Now you have to click on the add button, and the grocery option will start reflecting here. Further, in case you want to add a subcategory, you can click on the 3 dots. You can always add a product, you can edit, or you can disable this particular category in the application. In case you want to delete, you can also do the same under this same option. Now, like I have to add a product under grocery, I will click on the add product option, I will mention dal, suppose 1 kg. You can add the price like 80 rupees. Now in case you have to add any description, you can do that, or you can also add an image to it from the product image. Now click on the add button. Now you can find under the grocery, you can check the dal option is there. Now you have to be very particular while adding the items. The spelling should be very correct because it will create an impact on the customer. Now we will move on to the third option, that is the My Configuration. Under the My Configuration option, you have to be particular while opening and the closing of this option, because in case you have kept yourself online, it will reflect to the customer application. So in case your store is non-operational at any point of time, you have to be very sure that you have to click this button as offline, so that the visibility in the customer application is the configuration option is very important. Now the next part is the analytics, wherein you can check the live orders and their status. For logging off the application, you can choose the logout button. So till now we have completed the brief description about the merchant application. Thank you.